Now we will see how to create a booking or a class. We fill in all the details. We select the time of the class. It should be as per my school time zone that I have set earlier. I set the duration of the class. I select one-to-one or group. Should I publish it or hide it for later? Then I invite students to the class. I can filter by section or simply select everybody in the list and add them to the class. With a simple refresh, I can see the list updated with all students invited to that class. Students will get an invitation via email. I can also upload materials for every booking. I can select as many materials as I want and upload them. Only PDF and JPG can be used inside the classroom, but you can upload all sorts of files here. Your students can download those after the class. Once the class starts, I can click on Enter Class, and that's it. I'm redirected to the classroom.